to my channel. So before we get started with today's video, I wanted to introduce to you this perfect product. So I don't know if you heard the word on the street, but mushroom extract is the way to go. I recently been drinking a coffee that has mushroom extract in it, and when I tell y'all it works so well for me, I had to jump on this product. So this is from Ft.VidaCap. Ft.VidaCap has now introduced us with this wonderful lion's mane capsule. So these are mushroom extract capsules. Now these in particular are really great for focus, clarity, your mood, and they have others on the website, so make sure you check my link in the description box below. On the website you will see different ones that help out with different things. So they have some for energy, they have some for all kind of things, honestly, but me personally, I wanted to try out the clarity and focus, only because y'all know, as I always say, I am an actor, so my mind has to be clear when I'm doing different things, and anything that'll help me do that, I'm with it. So the mushroom extract is the perfect ingredient to give you everything you need. If this is something you're interested in, make sure to check my description box. It'll give you a discount code and let them know Jazz sent you. Yeah, so these are perfect. You take 1 to 2 a day. Y'all know me, they are a little strong for me, honey, so I have to just take 1 a day, but it's completely up to you. You get 60 capsules. Definitely check them out, y'all. Leave me a comment below if this is something you have tried or will be trying. You can let me know how your experience is. I can already tell you, I'm in love, honey. So y'all let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you later. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing something a little different. So y'all know I'm already kind of on a weight loss journey. I can't say kinda, I am. But I wanted to kind of speed up, okay? Honestly, I seen a lady from YouTube that I watch here and there. Her name is Keisha. I don't remember the name of her YouTube channel, but I will leave it here if you're interested. She do a whole lot of weight loss stuff, fitness, all that, and she's been on like a weight loss journey as well. So I ran across one of her videos yesterday, and she was doing a cabbage soup diet. So I'm super excited. I wanted to try it. She said she lost 20 pounds in 5 days. 20 pounds in 5 days. Where the cabbage at? Where the cabbage at? Because I'm gonna do it. So in this video, you guys will see me prepare to get the ingredients we need to make the cabbage soup diet. I did not show the exact process, but I did show you some clips of me here where you can see after I chopped up everything. So what I used was mushroom, onion, garlic, carrots, celery. So I chopped that all up. I put it in the skillet, because the way she did it, she put it in the skillet and kind of let it simmer and get the onions kind of tender and get everything nice and tender first. So that's what I did. And she did not use any oil, butters, or anything. I just used water. So you will see that here, how that looked. In the big pot, I went ahead and chopped up my cabbage, and she had a can of, I believe, tomatoes. She had another can of something else, but I just used 1 can of tomatoes, and I added that in there, so that's what that looked like. And so I just added some water to it, and we started to let that boil, y'all. And then so when the veggies got through getting a little soft and tender, I went ahead and added them into my pot, and we had soup. Okay, we had cabbage soup. So I let that cook for a while. I did add seasonings in there, so you can add whatever seasoning you want. I did some I did like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, stuff like that. I didn't want to add too many like heavy sodium type seasonings, because this is something I'm going to be eating all day, so I don't want my sodium levels to be high, and I'm also bloated looking and all that, so I didn't add too many seasonings. And yeah, so this is what it turned out to look like, guys. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see that. Here's my bowl. I do have another picture here if you didn't get this, but I wanted to go ahead and try it, my first bite with you guys. And yes, honey, I'm super excited. Not bad. Not bad. I can see how you can get full off of this, because all these veggies I can definitely see how you can get full and stay full. Now what she recommended is when you make that big pot of soup, you just eat on that all day. Anytime you're hungry. If you have more left over, save it for tomorrow, eat on that. But this is what you're going to be eating for literally 5 days. So we're going to do this and I'm bringing you guys along with me. So I already weighed in at 184. So yes, we're gonna get started, and I'm excited to see where this leads me and how much weight I'm gonna lose, and I'm so happy for you guys to come on a journey with me. So if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below, and we're gonna lose this weight, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow as we do an update on this. Bye.